Sorry, I'm just telling.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Sorry. Yeah. So it's about to solve the zero hunger issue lah. So it's basically a
Okay.
online platform that connects volunteers or the NGOs or the donors to collaborate on hunger relief effort.
Okay.
So the platform also allowed the volunteers to register their availabilities and on the also to post the specific needs and donors to contribute funds or resources.
So
Is it
it can be
okay?
at any level of donations.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Basically just a NGOs online website platform. Lah.
So any NGO.
Yeah, any NGO.
So it means you are coming up with something not specifically for this particular NGO, but it's an open application or open platform for any NGO, correct?
Yes, just
Okay,
they have to get
register.
into the platform, then they can make the contributor.
Okay, got it. Okay. So it means every transactions, every information, everything will be shared out on that platform.
Yes, but the user, I mean the
And
volunteers, privacy will be privacy lah.
okay, so it means like the NGO and then the volunteers, they will everybody communicate on that platform, correct?
Yeah, they can share data and share file also.
Okay, so I'm okay with the idea. So this will be more to what category or what type of project application?
Majority to solve the I mean it's a website platform.
Okay, so it means it's more to application development, and it's actually under the uh, supervisor title category, no? Because it has nothing to do with the faculty, nothing to do with the campus or anything, right? So it will be under supervisor title. Okay, I got the idea, but I need to see what will be the breakdown of the application. I mean the platform, what the platform actually can offer more. It means I want to know what are the modules, what are the functionality. It's okay if it's not a confirmed yet, but as long to
Yes.
see what will be the functionality there, what the NGO can handle, what the admin can handle, what the volunteers they can handle.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, sure. So
Okay.
continue with other ideas.
Yes, sure. Okay, anyone else, next person?
No, I mean I still got any
Oh,
ideas.
okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
second one is about the energy management system for the fuel station.
Sorry, what is that? Energy.
Energy management
Okay,
system
energy
for the
management
fuel
system.
station.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So it's a software solution to monitors or optimize the energy consumption for the fuel. Eh.
Okay,
So it
how it's going to work?
like integrate the with the smart meters, sensor and energy management device to
Okay.
analyze usage, the patterns of about the identity, energy saving, opportunity, and also track cost. Lah.
Oh, okay. So currently we don't have any such smart ways, right?
Yeah, I'm not really sure. This is one not one of my challenge because I'm not really uh
But
familiar with the
it
field
might
stuff lah.
be exist somewhere in the world, not here,
Yeah,
but it
yeah,
might be exist in somewhere. Okay, well,
yeah.
if you want to, let's assume, if you want to go on with this idea, please do some studies, find out how exactly this currently being done. So from there, you can do some enhancement of the existing things. So it means
Mm,
you do some googling, some finding. If there is any sample of this similar to this proposed application, and how it's work, try to understand how it can work and how we can actually implement it here. Mm.
yeah, that's my challenge actually. Also, I,
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
about the challenge
understood.
also.
Yeah, understood. Because it's something like sound good, but we
It's
don't
not
have
my
it yet.
area actually for the data.
Ah, yes. So it's actually kind of going to be using data related things, data analytics, all. If you want to give a try, yes, sure, we can, no problem, because you can also learn from your data analyst, sorry, data science or later, right? But check on that first. Check how it's being implemented. If you think that okay, we can make it, yes, we can give a try.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Any other title?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
uh, Next one will be something like um, it's about the personal finance management tools for young adults, or maybe not young adults, okay lah.
If you really want to do financial management app, then we can do for industry project ready, right? Industry project, they are requesting for financial management application also.
Yeah, but I'm not sure with the requirement. Just I know
Yeah, yeah.
something like
Me also. I'm
yeah.
not very clear about the requirement, what exactly the company is asking. So that's why, like what I was saying to your friend just now, I need to
Mm,
contact the project lead to find out more detail about this area lah, the one software. So in case if I able to find more requirement and if it's look interesting, I will share with you guys. So let's assume if you still into the consideration, then maybe you can consider about this industry project if you want, because financial management mobile app for something else, then you can work for the industry project really, in case if you're interested. Okay.
yeah, actually interested, but just
Yeah,
maybe we just put
understood.
aside first for this question
Yeah,
for this
yeah. So
title. Yeah.
let me also contact the person, because the person is not in KL, is actually Penang campus lecturer. So I need to get more details from the person. So I will share with you guys in the group. So in case if you still skip the first one, second one, you want to go for the third one, financial management app, then we can consider about industry project. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Do you want to talk about it? How this application work?
I think put aside first lah. You just
Okay.
wait for the
Okay.
requirement first, then I
Okay.
see how
Sure.
lah.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Hot one?
And well, one more.
Yes.
It's about the what is it? Yeah, something like automate loan approval system lah for bank.
Automate loan approval.
The automate loan approval system. It's a machine learning based system lah that automate
Okay. Okay.
for the loan approval process.
Okay. Are we going to take out the manual checking of the documentation now?
It can work fully automate, but also if the bank staff or the like manager or
Okay.
any staff that working in that area,
Okay.
they could do something on that lah also lah. Because sometimes
Yeah,
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 right,
exactly.
the background.
Sometimes, yes, sometimes when you make things automated, right, it can be too strict. It
Yes.
try to exactly capture the thing, and then it might be rejecting a lot of loan already. So
Yeah.
we
So the for of course the system will set the authorized level for the staff lah.
okay, okay, understood, understood. Okay. So currently, I believe all the banks here in Malaysia, they are doing manual approval. So in case
Yeah.
if you want to go on with this title, then it means you are discussing the problem in that manual approval system. I mean, what are the current issue we are facing there, and then your solution will be in the automated way.
Yeah.
Mm,
Actually,
mm.
to is aim to solve the time cost and also the budget cost lah.
Yeah, and like whenever we will be receiving too many applications, then it will be consuming time, and the human errors also can happen. So this will
Yeah.
be the problem. So to solve it, then you can come up with the automated solution.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Okay. So we have four different topics here.
Yeah. So I think
Yeah.
that's all lah. That's all.
So you need to decide on one, and one is pending on my side. So I will contact the person to get the requirement as soon as possible, and hopefully, but I don't expect any reply by today or tomorrow because it's weekend. So the worst I can get back is after the week start.
Oh, okay.
Mm,
Yeah.
mm,
Sure.
mm.
Sure. It's okay.
Because I cannot complain the
Yeah. I know.
lecturer is not checking the message, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So whatever is it, once I receive the reply, then I will update you guys.
Okay, sure. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next person.
Miss,
Hi, yeah.
uh, we currently have one idea about the title. We decide to do something like mobile application health monitoring system for remote patient care.
Sorry, remote patient
With
care.
yeah,
Okay, can
I
I know
found
more
this.
about this application, how it works?
Uh, it is almost same like the normal health application, but we will like it can test the heart rate, blood pressure, which if they can also connect with the watch if they have the smart watch. And
Okay.
we will add some features like they can communicate with the healthcare providers or doctors sometimes like
Okay,
it
sorry,
is
yeah, sorry to interrupt. So in that case, for us to use this application for the patient, we need additional device such as smartwatch. Is it?
no need it is like extra
Okay. How
device
it can
no
be detecting our personal body like temperature, the heartbeat, all. How it can detect through the mobile app alone without any other devices.
uh,
Yes, I
Yeah.
think I'm group with Syrian. So I
Yeah, yeah.
think yeah, we need a smartwatch to detect the patient heart rate and blood pressure.
Because just because we have the application on the phone, right? It's still not communicating with our body system yet.
Yes.
That's why we need an additional device, for example, the smartwatch, which will be connected to the mobile application. So in that
Yeah.
case, if you are proposing this title, then it means you need to have a device, additional device, which need to be part of the application. So it means, let's assume you want to sell out this application in the future, and you must sell it out together with the smartwatch.
Yeah.
Mm.
Then the doctor can live monitoring, like
Mm.
the
Mm.
monitoring their blood pressure if they got any vital sign.
Okay. So,
Then
yeah, yeah, sorry, continue.
and then they can if they have suddenly uh
but
got
it is like they have suddenly high heart rate or the blood pressure with
Mm,
the
mm, mm.
glucose level they will be detected by the watch. But if it is suddenly fainted, then the phone also I think if we can add a function that if our phone suddenly drop out or something, then the system will alert that if you are not responding in 1 minute or 30 seconds, then we will be contact. Because I think some phone got this function, like
Okay.
suddenly fainted out. So it is not totally based on the smartwatch.
Okay, understood that. Okay, so but when you are coming up this application now, some of the features of this application you need the device. Like some of it, you say that you don't need the device. It's not necessary to have the smartwatch, but some of it to make the application complete, you still need the device. So in that case, you need to be very careful that how you are going to connect this application to the smartwatch. It's not only about the software side, but also to work together with hardware side now. So if you guys able to do the connection, it means how you are going to develop and install this application to work together with another device, smartwatch. Do you guys understand?
Yes.
So if you able to show, because when we do the testing, just the application is not enough. It's not sufficient enough to show all the functionalities is working, because some of the functionality must be coming from the connection with the smartwatch. So are you going to install the application to work together with the smartwatch? Do you able to do that?
I'm not sure, but I think it's not. Uh,
It's something like sounds complicated.
yeah,
Yeah, for us like to come up with a software to be work on a smartwatch, I don't think we are at the level yet.
yeah,
Okay, so try to see how this application can be still beneficial without using the
smart.
smartwatch. Maybe some of the things need to be still manually done, then it can be stored into the application. And some of it, like what you said, the automatically detecting things, right? That actually what you can do straightly on the mobile. So you really need to check how this kind of application related to the healthcare related application can be done. So you need to do some finding first, then you can decide. Got it?
Yes, because
uh,
besides this, we also think of some functions like just now I say we can
mm,
communicate with the provider,
yes,
healthcare
yes.
provider, and if because there's, I think now there's no such an application that can let the doctor and patient can communicate privately like after they have go out from the
Because
hospital.
doctors are very busy, right?
Yeah,
So we cannot really have the private chat or something with them. But you can like most of their system, like their website, right? Like hospital website. If you can see compared to before, now we can see about the doctor, about their WhatsApp number, about their chatting things, email. So they are actually trying to provide the platform for us to try to communicate with them, but is not really effective yet.
yeah,
So if you have a better solution to come up, how we can have a direct communication, no matter how busy the doctor can still able to give us some ideas, some information, then you can come up with it. It can try to solve some issues.
and this is our first idea.
Okay.
Our second idea is almost same like just now Yin Yun say the financial management.
Oh,
So
okay, okay.
then we also think about another idea about
Okay.
food delivery.
Yeah, again food delivery. Why? Are we not having too many food delivery
Yeah.
application ready?
Why
We
you
have
choose
too
this?
many. Yeah, we have like everyone is coming up with food delivery things ready. What is the special? That is my question.
Uh, we have some personalized dietary restrictions. Something.
And how
Because
how how exactly it can be helpful? It's just a choice if I decided to follow, correct?
yeah,
And unless it is restricting me to simply buy any food, then it's a special application. It means like, okay, I give my weight, my what is that, my height, and then the application able to calculate my BMI to say that, oops, you are overweight. So from there, it's not allowing me to simply buy food which can make my BMI go higher.
yes,
Do you get what I'm saying? Because
yeah,
none of the application do that, because they will be losing money, no income. So in that case, if you able to like check on this information, not like restricting, but what I'm trying to say, to give better suggestion of the proper meals which they can buy according to what the restaurants are offering, right?
yeah.
Yes, you can have something like that. It means it can helping to give suggestion according to this person's details. What are the choice of restaurant, what are the choice of meals, and you can also include like the nutritions, those kind of thing. Yes, it will be something new for the food delivery side. If normal food delivery, I will already reject this title. I don't want.
Okay.
Okay, so think of it to add something extra. You said about nutrition, okay, it's nice, but how exactly it can work on the food selection and the food delivery part? Try to think on that.
Okay.
So if you add up that additional features, I think it will be sound interesting.
Sure,
Okay.
we will we will
Yeah,
try.
yeah. Check on that. Yes.
I think
Okay, that's it.
yeah, I think that's it.
Okay. Next person. Hello. Yes. Ah. Okay. Sure. Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Understood. Okay. 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 Let's go direct to the application. What can be the functionalities for us to keep track of them? Oh, it's more to smart house, eh? Okay, I sorry, I'm sorry to interrupt. I mean, the application part, I understand what it can be useful for, but when we said it's a smart house, right? So it means the application need to be integrated with smart or the house appliances. Am I right? Somewhere like we need to have a camera, we need to fix the camera so that it can be connected to the application, or there is something like any devices which can keep track about all these old people, and if something happen it can be detecting and it can be notified on the application. So it means like what I was telling the previous team about the application to work together with the smartwatch, something similar here too. It means the application to work with the devices. So let's assume you because when you come up with the application itself, we can see the application is working. But how the 100% application able to work to do all the functions you said, we need devices, correct? Ah, so can we make it done in that case, the devices, or I think cameras should be okay. Am I right? Camera we can able to detect. I mean, and then it can be connected to the system or something. We can do that part. But for the motion or something to be detected, to be recognized, and then to alert, then you need to use some AI. So there is some additional things you need to work on it actually. So as what I am telling your other friends, do some finding, Google about this kind of smart house appliances which can connect to the application, and your focus is more to people in the house so that we can check, we can always monitor them. So if there is any similar system which is already working in the market. So you can do some finding from there and then check if you're able to produce your own site or not. Okay, got it? Okay. Any other idea? Mm. Okay, yes. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. Okay, okay. So do we have any specific residency where we are going to apply this? Like exactly this area, we have been dealing with this much of issues, whatever happened. So people, they don't have the proper platform to communicate so that we can use it as our problem statement. Do we have any particular residence? Or it's a very general? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so in that case, then your application will be more to like to be applied by any residency. Okay, so something like like apartments, right? Now we have all this management related stuff. We have an application, so it means I can do my maintenance fee, payment, checking the bills, receiving the receipt. Everything is on application. I don't need to walk to the counter. So if you see this application like iHome or something, so this application can be used by any apartment. So it's an open application. So let's assume if we don't have a specific residency where we have the problem, then we can open it as a general. So it means any residency, we are dealing with these problems generally. So in that case, the application which you develop is actually can be used by any residency. Any residency can buy your application. They can register their residence information, all everything related in that application, and it can be used by the people that living there. So it can be an open application. Do you get what I'm saying? So it means you propose an application which is like okay, home home secured, something application. So this home secured is not for one particular residency. It can be used by anyone as long they have the data, they registered, and all the residency who is living there, they can able to download the application, they can register, then they are all on the same platform. It can be work actually. So whatever you said about to share things, to make a complaint, and then to directly connect to the police station in case if there is any incident, yes, I think it can be done. Okay, so you have two different choices here, totally two different areas here. So do some finding, get your information more, and then compare them. Which one feasibly can be done is very important. not only ideas but feasibly it can work, it can be developed, because at the end it's you are the one going to design it, you are the one going to develop